Your bug-out bag is missing the one item that costs $1. Most preppers spend thousands and still can't stop a bleed. Veterans who deployed to Iraq and Afghanistan came home with a short list, not the stuff on prepper forums, the stuff that kept them breathing. Item number 6 is in every drugstore in the country. It costs less than a cup of coffee. It does something with wound trauma that most EMTs don't even train on. 13 items, total cost under $300. Everyone available at stores you already shop at. By the end of this video, you'll know more about real-world survival gear than 90% of people who call themselves preppers. Item 1. Cat Gen 7 Tourniquet, $30 at Bass Pro Shops. Preventable hemorrhage was the #1 killer on the battlefield before tourniquet adoption became standard in theater. That's not opinion. That's Department of Defense data. Your civilian first aid kit has Band-Aids and gauze. None of that stops arterial bleeding. None of it. A severed femoral artery empties your blood volume in under 3 minutes. The Cat Gen 7 is the only tourniquet rated for one-handed self-application. You twist the windlass, you lock it, you buy yourself time. 20 seconds with practice. One hand. That's the standard, not the Chinese knockoffs on Amazon for $8. Those snap under real tension. Specifically the Cat Gen 7 with the red tip staging loop. This is item 1 because nothing else on this list matters if you bleed out first. Item 2, potable aqua water purification tablets. Dehydration kills faster than starvation in every documented disaster. Every single one. Katrina, Puerto Rico, the Joplin tornado. While most people buy $300 filter systems that clog, crack, or get left behind, a single bottle of potable aqua treats roughly 25 liters. It fits in your pocket. It weighs less than 2 ounces. That's 25 liters of safe drinking water for less than $10 at Walmart or REI. Your $300 filter is worthless when you're moving fast and can't afford the wait. Tablets don't break, tablets don't clog. Tablets work in standing water that would destroy a ceramic element. Running total so far, under $40. Item 3, Israeli compression bandage. This is the field dressing used by every NATO military on Earth. It was designed for one thing, a solo application on a massive wound under fire. Standard civilian bandages require a second person. They unravel. They can't generate enough pressure to stop real hemorrhage. The Israeli bandage has a built-in pressure bar. You wrap it, you hook the bar, you crank tension with one hand. It holds. Field medics trust their lives to this design. You can pack a deep wound and lock it under real compression without help. Around $8 per bandage, buy 3. Carry 2 in your bag and 1 in your vehicle. That puts your running total near $65. Item 4, Mil-Spec 550 Paracord, true Mil-Spec Type 3, 550-pound tensile strength, 7 inner strands. This matters. Each strand separates into fishing line, snare wire, or suture thread in an emergency. A commercial paracord from Amazon tests at roughly half its rated strength. It fails under load. Veterans specifically look for the Mil-Spec stamp. 100 feet of real paracord replaces 5 separate items: shelter rigging, splint binding, perimeter tripwires, gear lashing, improvised tow line. 1 item, 5 functions. That's the standard you should demand from every piece of kit. A 100-foot spool runs about $10, running total, under $80 for 4 items that cover trauma, hydration, and utility. Item 5, night vision monocular. Situational awareness after dark is what the military calls a force multiplier. It means 1 person with night vision outperforms 5 without it. Most civilians have 0 capability after sundown beyond a flashlight that announces your position to everyone within a mile. Affordable Gen 1 surplus or digital units sit in the $100 to $200 range at Bass Pro Shops. Even Gen 1 reveals movement at distances your naked eye cannot detect. You don't need military-grade $40,000 units. You need to see what's moving toward you before it arrives. That's the difference between reacting and responding. Running total including this item, under $280. Now pay attention to this one. Item 6, tampons, unscented, regular. Before you skip ahead, listen. This is not the old myth about plugging bullet holes. That doesn't work. What does work is this. Compressed cotton expands to fill and pack deep, narrow wounds for hemorrhage control. This is a technique adapted from field medicine. You're packing the wound cavity to create internal pressure against the bleed. A box of 36 unscented regular tampons from Dollar Tree costs about $1. Commercial wound packing gauze runs $15 or more per single package. You get 36 units of compressed wound packing material for the cost of a single piece of commercial gauze. Cost per unit is less than 3 cents. This one item reframes everything about this list. Real preparedness isn't expensive. It's informed. Item 7, Veterinary Antibiotics. This is the most controversial item on this list. Cattle antibiotics containing amoxicillin or ciprofloxacin are the identical USP-grade compound, same manufacturer, same FDA-inspected facility, same pill. Dr. Joe Alton documents this extensively in the Survival Medicine Handbook, available without prescription at Tractor Supply. Here's the consequence chain you need to understand. In a prolonged grid-down scenario, a simple infected cut becomes a death sentence without antibiotics. Pharmacies empty within 72 hours of any major disruption. That's documented from every hurricane and earthquake in the last 20 years. The people who secured antibiotics early survived infections that killed others. This isn't theoretical. It's historical. Item 8. Unscented bleach, 1 jug, $4 at Walmart. Here's the number that changes everything. 8 drops per gallon per EPA guidelines. One $4 jug purifies roughly 3,800 gallons of water. Write that down. 3,800 gallons for $4. Your commercial filter system purifies maybe 500 gallons before the element needs replacing at $40. The cost per gallon isn't even comparable. Bleach wins by a factor of 10. Store it in a cool, dark place. Rotate annually. That single jug is the most efficient water purification dollar you'll ever spend. Running total still under $300. Item 9. Bolt cutters, 24-inch, $25 at Harbor Freight. During Hurricane Katrina, padlocked supply rooms and chained gates became death traps. Documented. People couldn't access their own stored supplies. They couldn't cut through fencing to reach evacuation routes. No amount of food stockpiling matters if you can't move through an urban environment during evacuation. A $25 pair of bolt cutters opens standard padlocks and chain link. It gets you through a locked gate in under 10 seconds. This is urban survival gear. Most preppers never think about it because they imagine the woods. Disasters happen in cities. Item 10. Glass signal mirror, military spec, flash visible over 10 miles in clear conditions. Outranges any whistle, outranges any flashlight, weighs a few ounces. Veterans train on a specific aiming technique using the retroreflective sighting hole. Most civilians never learn it. You catch the sun, you sight through the hole, you aim the flash at the aircraft or search party. Without this, search and rescue passes overhead and never sees you. Entire cost. Under $10. That's 10 miles of signaling range for the price of a sandwich. Item 11. Loperamide. You know it as Imodium. Here's the history most people don't know. Diarrheal disease killed more soldiers than combat in every major war through World War I. In any grid-down scenario with compromised water, untreated diarrhea leads to fatal dehydration within days, not weeks. Days. The chain is simple. Bad water, diarrhea, dehydration, incapacitation, death. A 200-count bottle from Costco costs under $8. $8 to break a kill chain that has ended more lives than bullets. Item 12. USGS Topographic Maps, printed. When GPS dies, and it will, paper and compass have 0 failure modes. 0. Most people cannot navigate without a phone. That's not an insult. It's a documented vulnerability. Free downloads from the USGS website. Print them at home. Cover your county and every county between you and your rally point. A $400 GPS unit is a paperweight without satellites or batteries. Your printed map works in rain, in EMP, in total infrastructure collapse. Weight, ounces, cost, ink and paper. Item 13. Contractor grade trash bags, 3 mil thickness, cents per bag at Home Depot. This is capability stacking at its purest. One item, improvised rain poncho, sleeping bag vapor barrier, water collection surface, wound isolation layer, shelter material, ground tarp, gear waterproofing. That's 7 functions from a single item that costs almost nothing. This is the final proof of this entire list's thesis. Preparedness isn't about what you spend, it's about what you know. 13 items, every one available at stores you already shop at. Total cost under $300. You now know more about real-world survival gear than most people will learn in a lifetime. The only question left is whether you act on it before the shelves are empty.